this page has right now the dynamic information. So every time if somebody goes into Jira and changes something with the issue, if you do reload, then the data here changes. And that's not actually good if you are, let's say, creating documentation for your first release, but actually maybe some risks are related to the second release and then they are changed at the same time when you are closing the first one. So the dynamic content is actually a blessing in that sense that you can maybe easily reuse the same page in every release. But when you need this data to be fixed, then it's kind of a curse. And for that, we have actually a snapshot, static snapshot app. You can find it on a marketplace also when you just search for Confluence static snapshot. And with that, you can easily just when the time is right, you can take the snapshot. And what it does, it actually takes kind of like a screenshot and connects it with this page. So you have, it's like a hidden attachment. So basically you have the history of this page that is static. And then whatever you are changing here, this, what was here on that specific timestamp, you can just see it on this quick view is still here, and this can't be changed. Now you can even lock pages with this static content. So if you don't want to use or you want this specific page to be locked basically forever, then you can just use this last or any of the snapshots that you have taken and display out on this page only the static version. So eventually, I would think that all the locked down documents are actually static ones, even if you have the links here. These links, of course, work or they don't if this issue, for example, has completely deleted, but at least you have the history that the issue was there when you did this snapshot or baseline. And yeah, all those Confluence pages should let you easily know like whether this is static content that you see or whether it's a dynamic. Out of the box, everything is dynamic, but with our static snapshot, you can easily see that it's locked and it's a snapshot taken by me at this specific time. And now I can just export it or do whatever I want, but this specific version of page does not contain actually any more dynamic data. So yeah, whoever wants to get really in depth with these snapshots and the Confluence dynamic data features, then just let us know. We can have a really in-depth course on that as well. But yeah, if you're on regulated domains, then definitely this is the case for you, where you don't want to refer dynamic content to your auditor, but on the other hand, you would like to have Confluence pages as a living document so that you don't need to do all that work every day again and again.